Hey everybody, it's Austin with Piney Woods Kenworth here on YouTube. Salesman over at MHC Kenworth in Longview, Texas. Just want to show you guys something a little different than you normally see on the channel, but we did just get this non-CDL 26-foot box truck in. Tell you a little bit about it. It is available. It's a 2025 model T280. The phone number, if you're interested in it, is 682-558-4302. You can shoot me a text, give me a call on that number, or my email address is austin.gilbert@mhc.com. Got a PX7 underneath it with 300 horsepower. We do have an Allison transmission, 2500 RDS. Large def tank on this side. Give you a shot of the interior. Try to make this one short for you guys. I know you guys are interested to see the W9s and stuff, but just want to show you we can get anything any size and build and put anything on it. We opted to put just a 26-foot dry van box on it. It does have a lift gate and a loading ramp. Max on lift, 3,000 pound lift on it. Here's your up and down switch right here. You guys can see. Big box, 26 foot, got LED lights here and here. Also, you'll see we've got your attachment rails. We do have 3 of them all the way down the box. A ladder on both sides. So like I said, just want to keep it short, show you guys this truck, give you a little walk around of it. It's a 2025 model T280. It's got a 10,000 pound front axle, 16,000 pound rear, 529 ratio. It's on 22.5 steel wheels. We got it all. You guys can see in the background, we've got some 990s coming in. Still got these 2 W9s left. We got rid of a few last week, and then you'll see over here I've got a heavy haul coming in soon. So you guys follow along on the channel. I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe. Follow us on MHC Kenworth Longview on Facebook. We've got that up to over 10,000 followers now. We appreciate y'all. I know a lot of y'all come from there. So please like and subscribe. Continue to watch. My cell phone number is 682-558-4302 if you got any questions about any trucks. Thank you.